Okay, hello, first graders. Today we're looking at lesson 7-2. They're asking us to count by ones to 120 today, and we're going to find that on page 401. Yesterday we practiced counting by tens. Today we're going to be looking at counting by ones. So I'm going to share my workspace with you here. You can see we're on 7-2, page 401. Marta and her friends are here. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the story, and you can follow in your book. Jada and Alex take turns counting by ones. Jada counts on from 98 to 100. Now it is Alex's turn to keep counting. Write the next three numbers Alex should count. Tell how you know you are right. Okay, so again, the two of them are counting together, and Jada starts with 98, 99, 100. Okay. And Alex is going to continue from there. So if I'm counting by ones, after 100, my next number would be 101. Good. So I'm going to write 101. Has 3 digits. The next number would be 102. Good. And then my last number here would be 103, right? 103. Okay. You can see, again, each of those numbers has 3 digits. Each of them has a 1 in the hundreds place. In the tens place, they each have 0 because there's no tens. And in the ones place, 1, 2, 3. It's getting bigger by ones each time. Okay, let's look. If you need more time there, go ahead and pause the video. We're going to turn now to the top boxes on the next page. On the first box, it says this block shows 100. You say 100 for this number. So we've worked with base 10 blocks, and we've seen that a cube is 1, and we've seen that a rod, right, is 10. And we just draw it like that because it's easier for us, but it actually contains 10. It contains 10 of these cubes. That's why we call it 10. So let me make sure this is right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it contains 10 of these cubes. So we call it a 10 or a rod. And this we call a flat, and it's worth 100. Okay, so inside of this configuration, there are 100 of these small cubes. The next number you say is 101 because you have 101. Okay, so here we just had 100 all by itself. And then in this box, we had 100 and we added 1 to make 101. When you count forward, you keep counting by ones. So can you count with me, please, this sequence of numbers? Let's do that together. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. 105 means 100 and 5 ones. You say 105. Okay. When you count higher, you start with the word 100. So we're still going. 116 is where we're going to start from, and you count with me. 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. And Marta says 116 is 116. So she shows us both with the number and then with the words and how to say it. Notice they leave out the word and, right? Because when we say and you guys will learn this later, that refers to a decimal point. We don't have any decimal points in any of the numbers that we're using. So notice they don't say 101, they just say 101. Okay? All right, let's look at the guided practice. They're asking us to count forward by ones and write the numbers. So we're here at number 1, and we start here at 116. So I know my next number is 117, 118, 119, and 120. All right. Now, if you take a look at number 2, notice they don't give us the first number. So in that case, we're going to start with what we know, 110, and we have to think what would come right before 110, right? Right before would be 109. So that would be 109, 109. Okay, and then I can count for 109, 110, 111, right? And 112. Then I get to 113. And finally, number 3 gives me 104. So next would be 105. And after that, 106. They give me 107. And the next one after that would be 108. Okay, so that is going to be our practice for today, is counting and writing by ones. So our independent practice, count forward by ones and write the numbers. Okay, so you'll do that for numbers 4 through 9. And then if we take a look down at the number sense, right here with Alex, he says use the clues to find each mystery number. Let's take a look at number 10 together for number sense. Clue 1. So we're the detectives, and these are our clues. The number comes after 116. Okay, so I know if it comes after, the number has to be bigger than 116. All right, clue 2. The number comes before 120. Oh, okay, so it's bigger than 116. It's smaller than 120. Okay, what are my choices then? Well, if it's bigger, it could be 117, it could be 118, 119. It can't be 120 because it says it comes before that. So it's one of those 3 numbers. So the mystery number might be, let's just guess 117. Could be 117, right? That's it comes after 116 and before 120. Now let's take a look at clue number 3. It says the number has 8 ones. Circle the mystery number. Ooh, okay. Oh, I see. They wanted us to write the three possibilities. I'm sorry. So it could be, if it's 116, it could be 117. I apologize. 118 or 119. Turn this into a 9. There we go. Okay, now we read clue number 3, and it says the number has 8 ones, and it wants us to circle the mystery number. So, which is the only one of these numbers that has 8 in the ones place? 118, right? So that's the one we're going to circle, right? So I would like you to try number 11 also. They're going to give you a clue on what number it comes before. It comes before 108. They're going to give you another clue on what the number comes after. And then you're going to list all the possibilities that it could be. And with the last clue, you're going to circle the number that matches. Okay, that's how. Good thing we figured that out together. Okay, guys, so that's your assignment for today. If you have any questions, you can always reach out. We'll be practicing more with counting by different numbers in our Google Meets today. So I hope until then you have a great day, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Okay, all right, guys, bye.